just happened there, hasn't it, for Marc Marquez?
This was him trying to get past Maverick Vinales, and he goes way off. Brad Binder has to suddenly get out of the way. Marquez out braking himself completely.
Marc Marquez, Repsol Honda on Repsol Honda, and Marquez just nudges his teammate Pol Espargaro aside. It's Marquez, whoa! Marquez, fastest round the circuit at 2:03.553. Marquez has got through Monfalvia Quartararo. The 93 attack continues unrelenting. Here comes a raid up the inside. Marquez on Martin. Marquez gets the job done at turn 1. Marc Marquez, a sensational ride. Dead last in the first corner. He holds